Hello students, today we are starting chapter number 10, the microwave oven. It is an invention. Invention means how microwave oven was invented. It is a little bit scientific chapter, so be very careful while understanding the explanation. Let's start. Look, the microwave oven did not come about as a result of someone trying to find a better, faster way to cook. It was what we used to think that we are going to we are having washing machines. We are having washing machines to wash our clothes faster and faster in a way. But what happens that it was invented willingly, that we want to increase the speed of washing clothes, but not with that microwave oven. It was invented accidentally. The inventor was not willing to invent it by knowing the fact that he want to increase the speed of cooking food faster. No, it was nothing like that. Let's listen the story. During World War II, two scientists invented the magnetron. Two scientists invented the magnetron. Magnetron means a tube that can produces microwaves, that can produce waves. वेव्स जो होती हैं उसको प्रोड्यूस करने वाले इंस्ट्रूमेंट को मैग्नेट्रॉन कहते हैं. सो टू साइंटिस्ट्स वर वर्किंग ऑन दैट मैग्नेट्रॉन, अ ट्यूब दैट प्रोड्यूसेस माइक्रोवेव. Installing magnetrons in Britain's radar system. Radar system, it means radar is an instrument in which they were installing that magnetrons. The microwaves were able to spot Nazi airplanes on their way to bomb the British Isles. Microwaves can cause fire also, so they have tried to bomb that Britishers. So one day what happened, when two scientists were doing that work, one of them was the name of one of them was having the name Percy Spencer was the name of one scientist. Suddenly working on that magnetron, he felt little hunger. उन्हें थोड़ी सी भूख महसूस हुई. He felt hunger. So he came to know that he has kept a candy bar in his pocket. There was a candy bar in his pocket. इनकी pocket में candy bar रखा था. A chocolate was there. So he thought that I should take it out and I should eat it to satisfy my hunger. When he taken out that chocolate, he found that chocolate had melted. The chocolate had melted and it was not having that shape as before. He thought that there is no that kind of heat in this room. ये room तो इतना गर्म नहीं है, तो ये कैसे melt हो गई. Suddenly he found कि जहाँ वो खड़े थे उसी जगह से waves जो थी, microwaves जो थी, वो निकल रही थी, and that was touching his pocket. He suddenly realized that it is just because of these microwaves. He understood that microwaves can increase the temperature of foods, the internal temperature of foods it can increase. So second day what he did, he brought the like a corn लेकर आए, कुछ मक्का के दाने लेकर आए, and he kept that corn by the side of that microwave. उस microwave के पास में उन्होंने उसको रख दिया. Suddenly he felt that it has started to burst, फूटना शुरू हो गया, and it started to become the popcorn, और popcorn बनना शुरू हो गए. Second day he brought a kettle of water. He saw that water has started boiling. Then he put some eggs in that, and he found that eggs are also getting boiled in that, and one of the egg was burst in that water. So by these activities he found that microwave can cook food also, can fasten the speed of cooking food also. Okay, so it was by accident the microwave was invented. Look, the same thing is given. He found that radar waves have melted candy bar in his pocket. This experiment showed that microwave heating could rise the internal temperature of many foods far more rapidly than conventional oven. Normally हम जैसे खाना किसी ओवन पर पकाते हैं, उससे ज़्यादा स्पीड से खाना उस माइक्रोवेव में पक रहा था. Okay, now how it came into the market? Look, the first Radian commercial microwave. Radian is the name of a company. Okay, commercial means that we can sell, that we can use in business. So first Radian commercial microwave oven was the 1161 radar range. Radar range means instrument that is having a range, उसकी कोई डिस्टेंस होती है. इट वॉज हैविंग ऑफ दैट रडार रेंज विच वॉज मार्केटेड इन 1954. 1954 में फर्स्ट टाइम मार्केट में आया. Rated at 1600 watts, its measurement unit of power was 1600 watts. It was so large and expensive that it was practical only for restaurants. इसका शेप इतना बड़ा था. It was so large that for home kitchen no one can use it. होम किचन के लिए इसको यूज़ करना पॉसिबल नहीं था. सो एट दैट टाइम इट वॉज यूज्ड इन रेस्टोरेंट्स एंड इन इंस्टीट्यूशंस ओनली. इन 1967 अमाना, अ डिवीजन ऑफ रेदन कंपनी की एक यूनिट थी अमाना, introduced its domestic radar range microwave oven. They introduced this kind of microwave oven that can be used in the home kitchen, marketing the beginning of the use of microwave ovens in home kitchens. Although sales were slow during the first few years, starting के कुछ सालों में इसकी जो सेल थी वो बहुत कम थी, स्लो थी, partially due to the oven's relatively expensive price tag. क्यों? Because it was really expensive. The concept of quick microwave cooking had arrived. At that time, the concept has arrived that it can cook the food very quickly. In succeeding years, in the years ahead, Litton and a number of other companies, Litton is the name of company, and other companies came in that market, who joined the countertop microwave oven market. Countertop means the microwave that we can keep on a platform, किसी जगह पर, किसी प्लेटफॉर्म पर हम उसे रखकर यूज़ कर सकते हैं. लाइक दैट इट कैन बी केप्ट ऑन द स्टैंड ऑफ आवर गैस. ओके. So by the end of 1971 the price of countertop units began to decrease. 1971 तक इसकी प्राइस कम होना शुरू हो गए. And its capabilities were expanded. और इसकी जो कैपेबिलिटीज़ थी, इसकी जो क्वालिटीज़ थी, that they were getting expanded, they were getting increased. All electromagnetic energy can be characterized as waves and with a specific wavelength and frequency. Everything, every instrument can have a frequency and wavelength. Wavelength means the distance of waves, कितनी दूर तक वो distance ले पाता है. Frequency means what is the number of time, कितनी बार वो चीज़ होती है. Okay. Distributed over continuous range known as the electromagnetic spectrum. Now what is electromagnetic spectrum? The range of frequency, कि वो उसकी जो frequency है वो है उसकी range क्या है, उसकी distance क्या है, कि कितनी बार ये repeat होगी. Now look at another page. Radio waves have wavelength of 6 feet. This microwave oven has the length of 6 feet, 12 meters, and frequency. Here they have given the frequency of X-rays, frequency of wavelength, visible light's wavelength, X-ray wavelength and its frequency, shortest wavelength and its frequency are given here in the numbers. So microwaves are reflected from most metals, but they produce inductive resonance in the atoms of many substances. In many substances, they can increase the temperature. Inductive resonance, inductive means the general rules and principles it follows. Resonance means the vibrations of sound. While using it, it can create some vibrations of sound that increase its speed. It was their ability to produce resonant coupling that led the invention of the microwave oven, and this was the thing that kept this invention of that microwave oven came to the market, came in the visibility. So it was the chapter about how that microwave oven was introduced, how that microwave oven was invented accidentally. So you must try to read these wavelengths and frequencies and their ranges also. It is given here. Some of time it is 0.01, it is 12 meters, 50 millions, 400 to 700 millimicrons. X-rays have length of 0.01, but shortest radio wavelengths are of 0.01 millimeter. So these are the different things in a microwave oven that they have used, and that caused the microwave to work properly. I hope you have understood the chapter and it was quite interesting for you. Thank you and have a great day.